everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will traverse and illustrate the city of light and city of love, Paris. So watch till the end to experience this magnificent journey, paintings and stories on La Ville Lumière, Paris. Friends, as we know that it's been a long time now we are doing this World Tour series and we have traveled through many different countries, their people, their places, their lives, cultures, and of course all these virtually through the eyes of colors and canvas. And this is almost impossible, for a person like me who is a devotee of art, that I don't talk about the fashion hub, art hub and the cultural hub of the world, magnificent and beautiful city, Paris. The city of love and light is unarguably one of the most beautiful cities in the world, most popular cities among the travelers also. Oh, I just can't stop, my excitement when it comes to Paris. Let's indulge in this captivating beauty of Paris. Friends, Paris, France is famous for many things like iconic Parisian parasols, stylish umbrellas, fashion, art, Eiffel Tower, Mona Lisa and Van Gogh and many more. And in this romantic painting, a French couple reclines in the open space below the Eiffel Tower. Now let's talk about the art culture in Paris. Art in Paris is an article on the art culture and history in Paris. The capital of France, for centuries, Paris has attracted artists from around the world, arriving in the city to educate themselves and to seek inspiration from the artistic resources and galleries. As a result, Paris has received a reputation as the city of art also. Home to some of the world's most famous museums and galleries, including the Louvre and the Musée d'Orsay. And the city today remains home to a thriving community of artists. Paris is recognized globally for its public landmarks and masterpieces of architecture, like as a symbol of France, like Arc de Triomphe and Eiffel Tower and many things. Paris has always been an art lover's paradise. So, with Impressionists treasures at the Musée d'Orsay and historic gems at the world's largest art museum, the Louvre, let's now know about some of the famous paintings and painters from Paris. Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. Of course, we cannot forget Mona Lisa, the most talked about painting. Mona Lisa was drawn between 1503 and 1517. Initially as a portrait of Lisa, the wife of Francesco. I do not think that I need to say much more about Mona Lisa because we all know about it. Next is Liberty Leading the People by Eugène Delacroix. The masterpiece shows Parisians being led over the barricades and the bodies of the fallen by the empowering goddess of liberty, who is victoriously holding up the French flag. My dear friends, the next famous painting is The Coronation of Napoleon by Jacques Louis David. It was painted in 1807 by the official painter of Napoleon I, the ultimate hero of French history, and it's impossible not to be impressed by its epic dimensions. The breathtaking gigantic canvas flaunts the ruler's pride as he is being crowned in Notre Dame de Paris. Next is Self-Portrait by Van Gogh. Dutch post-impressionist painter Van Gogh is one of the most influential figures of Western art. And if you are a fan of his impressionist approach, you can discover some of his most famous works at the Van Gogh Gallery in the Musée d'Orsay, such as his melancholic self-portrait of Van Gogh from 1889. Continuing with the last, some of the famous paintings, Poppy Field by Claude Monet. It would be unfair to include Claude Monet's impressions Sunrise without also including Poppy Field, the delicate and beautiful painting set in the Paris suburb of Argenteuil, where Monet lived from 1871 until 1878, was unveiled in 1873 to awe-inspired delight. It depicts what is largely believed to be the artist's wife Camille and their son Jean through the sense of mystery keeps critics enthusiastic. Next and the last one for this session which I can discuss is the Longion on the Grass by Erde Monet. No artistic masterpiece has ever gained legendary status without a little scandal, I guess. The scandal wasn't provoked because of the nudity, but because of the subject's challenging gaze. It's almost as though she is overruling the spectator's authority as they gaze upon her naked body, which at the time was perceived as threatening. Friends, so much to talk about the art section of the Paris, the importance of art in Paris and its participation in the field of art. Now let's talk about the Paris as a city. It is the most populous city of France and is the capital city of France. And since 17th century, it is Europe's major center for finance, diplomacy, fashion, gastronomy, commerce, science, arts, etc. And Paris is famous for its cafe culture, Moulin Rouge, pastries, the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, fashion, and many things. And it's known for its beauty, elegance, and for being boldly a romantic city. Now, many people think that the nickname City of Light has come from because of the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower. But it is not the only thing. It also the City of Light, this nickname also refers to the age of enlightenment in Paris, bringing to the four poets, philosophers, scientists, engineers who all played a part in the city's development. My dear friends, there are 1,000 things to do and see in Paris, and however much time you have here or you have the time to discuss for it, it won't be enough. Climbing to the top of the Eiffel Tower, stroll down the Champs of Elysees, visit Louvre, see many shows and exhibitions, or simply wander along the banks of Seine, read in French in the Tuileries garden, and quite simply take time to experience the Parisian way of life. Stepping into this whirlwind, that takes you from frenzy to romanticism will leave you with enduring memories. You will be much more proficient in French, and you will become aware of your ability to communicate in the language of Molière. Our World Tour series will continue. We will continue to search this happiness and joy of the world to share with you all. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with Imagination Gallery. So, friends, I hope you enjoyed and liked today's expedition to the city of light and love, Paris. Transmit your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing sessions here in the comment box. If you like our drawing session and you want to know about different illustrations and paintings and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you an amazing week to start. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now.